Hello guys, welcome back. So today you can clearly see a tornado just ran through here. We're okay. We have kittens now. They're all safe. They're all
Oh wow!
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, we get ready to go right in and look at the storm damage. Oh, our fucking yard's fucked.
Oh,
I don't know.
oh, look at Dylan's car.
Oh my God! Look at the damage.
What happened? What happened?
Oh my God! Oh my God! We got hit by a tornado.
Oh!
Oh my God! All my shit's gone.
Oh my!
I wish destroyed.
Oh my God!
Yeah, the grill's here.
No! What the heck?
Oh wow! Oh,
It
yeah,
said
destroyed.
we should probably get back.
Everything we had on the deck, your
Oh my-
everything's gone.
Oh my God!
Trees are down. Oh, everything's off the deck.
Everything's off the deck.
No, it's on.
The tents are destroyed.
Paula, the tents?
Brittany said
The
we bought my
tents.
$10 float. They're probably destroyed. Both of them.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
but
is insane.
Sorry, just listen. You hear them?
Shush! Stop talking for a moment.
You hear the sirens?
Mackenzie, go
They're
back.
still going off. Oh my God, you wouldn't believe the shit that just came through here. Yeah, you need to get covered because I'm telling you
Oh,
what, that shit
yeah,
just jumped
Mom,
in
they
there.
said go in the basement now because it's extreme weather. It's extreme.
All right, love you.
They said go in the basement. Oh no! Dale, Mom,
Hold on, my phone's
It's-
going on.
what's going on? Dude, I feel like I'm in a horror movie. Oh no, dude, this cannot be for real. I feel like everything's clearing up right now. Not really. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. Well, everything's destroyed. Stop howling! Shush! Princess, shush! Oh my God, dude. It is insane. Look at one of our cats underneath there. Where's Grayson? I haven't seen Grayson in a while. You know, the gray tabby cat. He's a male. He's just gray, but I'll call him Grayson. Oh my gosh. The sky is all gray and cloudy right now. What? Dude, that sound that like alarm, if y'all can hear it, hold on. That alarm, that siren sounds like a Roblox horror game. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna take my chances, and I don't think I should. But I'm gonna take my chances and go out on the deck again. But there's literally lightning and what's it called? There's lightning and thunder. And it's raining right now. It just started raining back up again. Oh boy, you know what? You know what? Oh crap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We should probably be in the basement right now. Oh gosh. My phone is legit wet right now. It has rain on it. But sorry guys, I haven't been posting too much videos. I just been taking a break. You know, oh crap, that tree is swaying. I think it. I'm just gonna take my chances. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Every single time I go up on the deck. Okay, you know what? This is getting really bad. Especially I'm standing in the middle of that tornado. Well, it's not technically a tornado, but you know. I got a warning on my phone before I started recording this. It said extreme weather. They said go into the basement.
I keep telling you, young lady. Listen.
They said go to the basement because it's extreme weather. Did you just? Okay. Wow. Oh. Can we go like right around her? Oh god. Can we go right around after this and like record like what happened?
Just a minute, Samantha.
Well, not record, but you know. It's bad out there.
Then why are you out there?
Because I
Where
can.
the tornado? Get out of here.
No! Mackenzie! Get back in there. You're gonna go get a spanking. Get back in there. You're not supposed to be out here. You'll get hurt. Only the dog cats are supposed to be out here because, you know what, I don't even know. The alarm is still going off. Oh wow. I legit have no idea what's going on. Except that it's legit chaos. By the way, it looks brighter, but it's actually really, really dark. Like the grass is like darker. You know? All this stuff going on. That tree legit looks like it's about to break. That one right there. Imagine if it did break though. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Hey, what is it? Okay, it's 6:32. They said the alarm will go off at 6:45 or 46. Uh-oh. Oh heck. Oh heck. I'm Daredevil. That it keeps on changing. look at him just sleeping underneath there. Hey, get out there. Uh-oh. That's hell. What? The tornado? They said to get into the basement.
It's coming. Here comes hell. Get in. Tornado ain't came yet, but it's on its way.
No.
Woo!
No! One of the cats is out.
Motherfucker's coming down hard. Go in there. They hurt.
What? Oh, what happened?
Go. Get away from the door because if the motherfucking tornado comes, you gotta go downstairs.
Okay. Oh, that is hell.
Yes, and it will
Hold
hurt.
on.
Samantha,
Oh
you know how
my.
you get hail.
No.
It's an uplift of wind.
Frozen
Yeah, but
clouds.
good thing these ain't
Guess what
golf
the
balls.
uplift of wind is?
A tornado.
Correct.
I'm scared. No, I'm not. I'm not scared. Do you hear it?
Them babies okay in there?
Mackenzie.
Oh, they're running around. They're having fun.
They're
Yeah.
in there.
They're
Oh,
in.
no, they're fine.
No, look at him underneath the truck. He's chilling.
Yeah. Elizabeth just ran into the woods.
Oh. It's here. If it's
I'm-
not here, it's over there.
I'm afraid it's in Lake Dremlin. Oh my God, it looks bad over there. I can see
Oh
it.
my God.
Yeah, our shit's gone off the deck.
Oh. Banshee, come here. Come here. Did the power go out?
It's somewhere right here.
Did the power go out? Oh! Dude.
I'm home.
I don't like it.
Forget about me cooking.
It might be here, Paul.
No. I'm going to the basement. Come on, let's go to the basement. Let's go to the basement.
Oh my God.
It might be.
Oh my God.
Come on, stop. Holy crap!
Stay right here. Come on.
Yeah, go.
Samantha, go to the basement.
Go.
Go! It's coming! Go! Seriously, it's coming! Go! Where do we go? Brittany, it's here.
Brittany.
Go in here. Where do we go?
Upstairs.
Brittany, in here. Tell her it's here. Tornado's here. Get in here. Get in here. Come on. It's here. Tell her it's here. Get her at the steps. Get her at the steps.
I'm scared.
Yeah, tell her the tornado it's here. It's in our yard. It's here. All right, tell her we're underneath the stairs.
Well, I think
so-
the most logical reason would be to
All
get
right,
underneath
all right,
the.
Come here, Samantha.
The most logical thing would be to get underneath.
Underneath here. Oh my God. Underneath here. Get underneath here. Stop. Stop. Listen. Listen for it. If it comes to me that we're going to have to we're going to have more than just this. Listen. It comes. Get on your knees and just like shelter your head, like shelter it. You don't have to right now. Just wait a minute. Listen, I need to hear what it's doing. Listen. Oh my God. No, do not put that there. I can hear it all hitting. Turn it off. Listen.
I'll be right back, guys.